In front of me is Samsung M13, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then install this completely free app, this one from this developer, and open it. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Firstly, you need to select OK over here, then click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Following that, tap on I accept and adjust all of those settings however you want to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by choosing one of those options. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!